ever make a bad investment decision? I made a few. Namely, bought a lot of these bags. They're insulated. You can keep stuff cold or warm when you ship it. Drawback is they weigh about a pound, so any shipping fee is going to add substantially to it. And kind of bought a lot. Like here's 250 in a pallet, and I bought 4 of them. So I mean, I sold a few hundred, but it's not making a dent really. So I need to improvise. What can I use this for? Winter's coming, and I need my garage to stay at temperature for my 3D printers to work. So I'm insulating the garage with these insulated bags. Packing them in there, taping them pretty good. And I'm attaching this giant cork board to close them in. So at the same time I get some, organization like this, and insulation. I call it insorganization. Alright, not bad. I wasn't even measuring these out when I bought them. It's got a little bit at the top that it needs a bit more on, but it should be fine. But compared for what it is. I got some bracketing systems. I'm just going to buy these to start off with, and I'll 3D print the rest. So I got one panel down, and we got the rest of the garage to go.